Hey folks, I'm Tony.
And I'm Tina.
And we're TNT RVing.
We're here in Pennsville, New Jersey at M&M Hunting Preserve and Sporting Place facility.
We're here with some friends and we're going to be competing in the Northeast Regional Sporting Place Championship.
We are here actually dry camping in their field. So come on along and we're going to show you all around the facility as well as how we dry camp.
Alrighty, so we finally made it to M&M and here's where we ended up with our dry camping spot. Right, so we're filling up Bell with some fresh water and I wanted to share with you how we're doing it now with our 65-gallon water tank from Class A Customs. Thanks once again.
That's way back in there. I don't know if you can see that because it's a little sunny out today.
Which is so much better than having our jugs that we normally do. So I have my vent open and we're hooked up to the pump. I have the valve open to that. I also have the valve open here, so our water hose is pressurized. The pump is on. It is actually head stop.
We got.
And right now, I'm going to turn this on here, and it's just as easy as that. And there's water flowing nicely and filling Bell up.
I don't even hear the pump on now.
It will be on now if we go over there.
Oh.
It was under pressure, so it actually tripped off.
Okay.
So if you walk back there right now, you could see.
Okay, we're walking back. You can see it is running. It's just really quiet.
Really quiet. Hot honey. Brian said we needed to have the hot honey.
Told me it's running. I'm just going by what somebody told me. That's really good.
Yeah.
So here we are making our first attempt at a pizza party with our uni.
And
here's all Tony's shooting buddies. Wave everybody. That's Brian, that's
Carl, and Mike
is over here. And Tony's doing some fixings.
Ooh, this is some spicy stuff. I like that.
Oh, and here's the best part. Look what Carl brought.
You bring some lanterns.
That's the piece de resistance right there.
Here you go.
Blanton's from Buffalo Trace.
Some of those sound like that. It's hot all above it. It actually cooks pretty even, doesn't it? Not bad.
That looks good.
Yeah.
Good job, Brian.
Man, good job.
Good job.
Woohoo!
Better than our first job.
Yeah, that has the.
Ours
I
is
like the
all-
cheese on top. Look at that.
You didn't put cheese on top?
Ours was like
no, he puts
cheese
it on the bottom because he's
and then toppings on top.
Chicago style.
Italian style.
Tony style.
Tony style.
All right, I wanted to share with you how Tina and I are set up for our dry camping. Of course, we have our satellite dish here. And then there's our generator. And what I did a little different this time, as you can see, I got that fuel cap with the line. Well, what I do, or did here, is I just ran it up through the, there's a plug for fifth wheel prep. I just popped the cover off of that, and then it goes right into the 5-gallon can. and just kind of sips fuel all night long and keeps us running. So I think it's a really cool setup. Thought I'd share. All right, so since this is a big regional shoot, we really don't want to disturb any shooters on the course. So what we're doing now is we're going over to the practice course. Nice.
Wind's starting to get right in the middle.
All right, Brian's up next.
Like the middle should break through the middle, you know? Behind it.
Decided to not attend this evening's dinner and drink event held up at the club. We decided to come back and have some bratwurst, and Carl's cooking up some bratwurst here, and they look lovely.
3 different kinds.
3 different kinds of bratwurst. So we decided against the shrimp, and we're gonna have ourselves some bratwurst. And of course, this wonderful, oh look, Tina's back into this again. We just discovered
salad from Costco. This is like the best olive tapenade you've ever had. Oh my goodness. Yum.
So check that out. And this is muffalata olive salad. It's quite lovely. Alrighty folks, so I ran into Christian here out on the course, and he has his great dog, Jack. And Jack is how old, would you say?
He is a year and a half.
Alrighty.
He's the life of the party.
He is very well behaved and trained, and
he fakes it well.
Christian's gonna give us a little demo on how Jack listens to him and the commands and stuff that he does. So let's see how Jack goes after these.
Yeah. So we duck hunt with Jack. So Jack has to be a gentleman. Jack here in the duck blind. So we'll have, you know, 4, 5, 6 people in the duck blind, and a group of ducks comes in. We all shoot ducks. They land all over the place. Jack, watch. So one's gonna land out there. Another one's gonna land there. So we've got 2 next to each other. One of them's wounded. We'll say, which one is wounded? Which one do you want?
Let's say
left
the
or
right
one?
Let's say the right one.
So the right one is wounded, so we need to pick that one up first. So we've got to get them lined up on a straight line and send them. Jack, here, Jack. Good bird. Get it. So he'll get the right one, bring it back. The other one's completely dead, so it's not a problem. Jack, here. Drop. Jack, get it. So obviously Labradors, this is what they're meant to do. This is what they're bred to do, and they're the best conservation tools because we always don't make the best shots.
Exactly.
You know, we wing ducks and things, so
And clays.
yeah, and clays. So they find a lot of ducks that we wouldn't find, and they love doing it. You know,
Right.
this is their job, but they're also trying to please us. So we've got a couple more ducks, and then you know we're shooting and things are going on, so we don't want the dog to take off when we shoot. So that's called
Right.
breaking. So you don't want the dog to take off and run all through the decoys. He's got to sit there like a gentleman till we're ready for him to go get our ducks.
Exactly.
So that's the whole deal. So I'll send him on the left one. Jack, here. Jack, get it.
Absolutely love that.
Come on. Good boy. And he's supposed to hold it till I take it from him, because if it is wounded, it could fly off.
Sure.
We've had that happen. Drop. Jack, get it. So that's their fun. So I'll show you
That's
one more
awesome.
thing when he brings that back. So he knows hand signals and whistle commands and all that fun stuff. Jack, here. So I'm going to pretend like we shot this duck. Oh. So we shot that one. Now I'm going to send him to go get that, but in the meantime another duck's going to come in. We're going to shoot that duck, and that's going to be wounded, so we're going to have to stop him and have him get the wounded duck.
All right, well then I'm going to back up here.
Yeah, back up
so
and
we
I'll
can
show
get a
you.
better view.
So that duck just fell, and that is dead. That's dead as a doornail. I'm going to send him on that, but halfway to I'll stop him because we're going to shoot another duck. Jack, get it. That one was wounded. So come on.
Incredible.
Good boy. Jack, get it. So we think we love duck hunting, but he loves it
I
about
think
100
Jack
times more than
definitely enjoys it.
we do. Good boy. So that was working. So he's still working right now. So when we're done working, I'm going to release him and tell him it's time to. He's done working. It's time to play. Jack, release. Good boy. All right.
All right.
Good boy.
Well, thank you very much,
Yeah,
Christian.
you're welcome. That was fun. Thank
and
you.
Jack. Thank you, Jack.
Cool, man.